How's it going, everybody? My name is Dr. John Ramirez over here at the Bloomingdale Therapy Clinic, Florida Orthopedic, and we're just going to go over some basic hamstring stretches. Kyle here is going to help us with that. So a lot of people now are sitting at the computer working from home. And what happens is when you're sitting, hamstring gets shortened because you're in this position. This muscle gets really tight, especially when you get up to stand up. That can cause back pain, that can cause leg pain, so you want to make sure you're staying flexible. So Kyle's going to show us a couple of these stretches here. So first one, we call it the active assisted hamstring stretch. So basically all you're doing, keeping that knee nice and bent and bringing the knee up, you're holding it as Kyle is doing here, and then you're trying to straighten that leg out. Everything should be nice and comfortable. Shoulders back down, head back, relaxed. And what you're trying to do is straighten that leg out. Now, if it starts to shake, kind of like it is a little bit now, you kind of back off a little bit. And you want to hold it there for a good 30 seconds. So once you hold it there for 30 seconds, bring it back down, and then he's going to switch legs for us and straight up again. And then you're going to hold it to where you're comfortable. You're going to feel a little bit of tension in that hamstring, but you want to feel comfortable when you're doing this. Okay, so that's one. The next one is if you have a band, if you have a belt at home, or if you have a towel or a sheet, you can use this to stretch your hamstring as well. So this, again, you could do from the bed or on the floor. So you're going to put that around your foot, and you're going to keep that knee nice and locked for me, and start from, there you go. And you're going to use your arm just to kind of slightly pull that leg up. You're going to hold it there for 30 seconds, and again, 3 times of each leg, 30 seconds each. And you should be comfortable doing those stretches. It shouldn't be too, you're going to feel some tension, but it shouldn't be too bad. So you're going to feel that tension more in that hamstring. And when you're pulling on the toes, you can feel some of that stretch as well on the calf as well. So it's a good hamstring leg stretch. Okay, so that's the other one. Next, we're going to do one, you can be seated on the floor, or you can even do it on the bed, but what he's going to do is stick one leg out and bring one leg in, just like that. Now with this stretch, it's important to keep that back nice and straight. A lot of people like to hunch over, just like that, they're trying to touch their toes as bad as they can, but you want to keep that back nice and straight, and you want to kind of just go as far as you can, keeping that back nice and straight, feeling that hamstring just being stretched there, and you want to kind of pull those toes back as well, because it gives you a good stretch in that calf. Again, 3 times, 30 seconds each leg. Switch sides, same thing on the other side. Next, we're going to show you you're going to be on the side of the table there, just like this. This you can do, you have a table, even on the bed or on the couch. You can do it. It's just an easy stretch you can do as well. Again, back nice and straight, bring those toes back, and he's going to bend over and try to stretch that hamstring as much as you can. So this it's going to be a little bit uncomfortable, but not bad enough where it's excruciating. So you're going to feel that muscle being stretched and that calf being stretched as well. Now another one I'm going to show you myself is you can do it from seated on a chair. So basically, nice and comfortable on a chair, you're going to stick one leg out, and again, back's nice and comfortable, keep that posture back. You're going to come forward and just bend down. I can already feel it right behind my knee here. And then bringing those toes back, I feel it right here behind my knee as well in the calf. So that's a good stretch. Again, 30-second hold, and you can do it on both sides. And it's just a really easy one to do, because you just need to find a nice comfortable seat and just bend over, try to reach your leg here, keeping that posture nice and back, just to kind of so you don't hurt your back. Now another one, if you have a chair, you have some sort of surface that you can put your foot on. I mean, this is more, you have to be careful, because if you have balance issues, definitely be careful doing this, but you can put one leg up on the chair, and again, you're just kind of coming forward, keep that nice posture and bending forward. I can already feel it on the back of the leg. Bringing those toes back gives that extra stretch. Again, 30 seconds, 3 times on each leg. Now you don't have to do all of these. These are just different variations of hamstring stretches. So maybe pick 2 to 3 of them. I usually like people to do this, especially in the morning when you get up, because you use this when you're tight, stiff, and then at the end of the day or after you're working on the computer for multiple hours, you get up, stretch those hamstrings, and that's even, you can do that throughout the day if you have a surface or something, just to stretch really quickly, but especially at the end of the day as well. But that's it for the hamstring stretches. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.